Hello and welcome to Shiny Crochet. This is part 3 of my Giant Tiger Plush series. See the card above for the trailer video which covers the normal introduction information, such as yarn, hook size, and where to find the PDF pattern. As always, if you have any questions, drop a comment below with as much info as you can so I can help. This video will cover making the eyes, nose, heels, and toes, which will need the black yarn, then ears, which will need the cream and orange yarn. The eyes are made with black yarn, worked in the round. Begin with a magic circle, then do a single crochet. 1, then 2 half double crochet. 2, 3, then 2 single crochet. 4, 5, then 2 half double crochet. 6, 7, then a single crochet. 8. Slip stitch to end the row and tie off. Cut a long tail which will be used to attach the eye to the face later. Sew in the starting tail, and make a second one. The nose is made with black yarn and worked on a chain to begin, then in the round. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4 single crochet along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 5 single crochet into the last space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will allow you to work back along the other side of the chain. Complete 3 single crochet along. 1, 2, 3, then do 4 single crochet at the end space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then finish with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch to the next space and tie off. Cut a long tail which will be used to attach the nose to the face later. Sew in the starting tail. The big spot on the bottom of the foot is made with black yarn and worked in the round. Row 1 begins with a magic circle, then 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Row 2 is 8 single crochet increases. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14, 15 and 16. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Row 3 is a repeating pattern starting with single crochet. 1, then a single crochet increase. 2 and 3, repeated 8 times around. 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17 and 18, 19, 20 and 21, 22, 23 and 24. Slip stitch to end the row and tie off. Cut a long tail. Sew in the starting tail and leave the finishing tail free. It will be used to attach this to the foot later. You will make 2 of these. The small spots on the bottom of the foot are made with black yarn and worked in the round, starting with a magic circle. Then 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch to end the row and tie off. Cut a long tail and sew in the starting tail. The finishing tail will be used to attach this to the foot later. You will make 6 of these, 3 per foot. The ears are made of 2 circles joined together. The first circle is made with cream and the second with orange. They are worked in the round with slip stitch and chain 1 between each row. Starting with cream, begin row 1 with a magic circle. Then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Row 2 is 6 single crochet increases. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Slip stitch to end the row and tie off. Sew in the ends. Next we will use orange yarn and start the second circle. Starting row 1 with the magic circle, then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Row 2 is 6 single crochet increases, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Take a moment to sew in the starting tail. Now we will line up the two pieces, wrong sides together. Continuing with the orange yarn, row 3 is worked by inserting the hook through both pieces as if they are one. It is a repeating pattern starting with 1 single crochet, 1, then single crochet increase, 2 and 3, repeated 6 times to the end, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17 and 18. Slip stitch to end the row and tie off. Cut a long tail, which will be used to sew the ear to the head later. Make a second one. And that's a wrap. This part is done. Be sure to share on social media. I'd love to see your makes. Tag at Shiny Crochet and use hashtag ShinyGiantCat so others can find it too. In 2 weeks, the next part will be available. The card above is a playlist for this series. I will add each video as they are released. If you haven't, be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop. Have a lovely day!